Hydrangeas, lush, timeless, and beloved in gardens across the world. But did you know that there's several distinct types, each with their own personality? I'm Master Gardener Steve from the Celtic Farm, and today we'll walk through the 5 main types of hydrangeas, how to tell them apart, and which one might be perfect for your garden. First up, bigleaf hydrangeas, or Hydrangea macrophylla. These are iconic showstoppers with huge mophead or lacecap blooms in pink, blue, or purple. Their bloom colors shift with the soil pH, acidic for blue, alkaline for pink. They prefer shade and bloom in early summer. Quick Master Gardener tip: new varieties like Endless Summer bloom on both old and new wood, perfect for zones with late frosts. Next is the Panicle hydrangea, or Hydrangea paniculata. These thrive in full sun and produce large cone-shaped flower heads that age from white to pink or lime to green. Their strong stems and cold hardiness make them ideal for hedges or training into small trees. Some popular varieties: Limelight, Vanilla Strawberry, and Quickfire. Meet the Oakleaf hydrangea, native to the southeastern United States and a true 4-season plant. It features bold, lobed leaves, white conical flowers, brilliant fall color, and even an attractive winter bark. It's best for woodland gardeners and shaded or part-sun spaces. Next we have the smooth hydrangea, Hydrangea arborescens. This native shrub is known for massive round white blooms, often as wide as a dinner plate. Varieties like Annabelle and Incredible are easy to grow and bloom on new wood. Quick Master Gardener tip: cut back hard in late winter to encourage stronger stems and fuller blooms. Lastly, the mountain hydrangea, or Hydrangea serrata. It's smaller, more delicate, and cold hardy, perfect for northern climates and containers. These mostly bloom in lacecap form, and some, like the Tough Stuff series, rebloom beautifully into fall. So let's recap. Macrophylla for classic blue and pink mopheads, paniculata for sun-loving cones, quercifolia, oak-shaped leaves and bold texture, arborescens, big white snowball blooms, serrata, compact, cold, tolerant lace caps. Choose based on your light conditions, bloom preferences, and climate, and your garden will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Master Gardener tips. See you in the garden.